Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add multiple users on your Windows PC. So let's say you share your PC with your friends, or let's say your siblings. You need to create an account for all of them, so anytime they want to use the PC, they log into their user account and then use the PC. In this case, you guys are going to use your files separately. You're not going to mix up anything. You're not going to cause any fight or something. So let me show you guys how to do this. So you can see here on this PC, I have 3 different accounts. I have Mike, which I'm using right now, and I have Kofi, and I have Kbrother for my YouTube. So I have all my YouTube files on there. So let me show you guys how to do this. So to do this, it's very much simple and easy. All you need to do is come here. Now you move to your settings. Let me open that. Good. So on here, you just move to your account here. And then here you move to your family and others, so you can see the 2 accounts on it here. Now I tap to add a new person. So on here I just enter the preferred name of the person I want to add. So let me say I'm going to make this the admin. Let me come here and let me make this a copy. So here you can add a password to make it more secure. So in this case, anytime they turn on the PC and then they choose the admin section, they need to enter this password before they can get access to that. You get it? So this is for tutorial purposes. I'm not going to add any password, because after that I'm even going to delete the user, because I have 2 different ones on it already. So now after doing that, just tap on next. Good. So now you have a local account on it added, which is admin. So when I tap on the admin, the PC is going to reboot itself, like open into a new Windows, and you are going to do some small Windows settings, like you just bought the PC or you just installed a new Windows. So after that, you can go on and then start using it. So you're not going to find anything there on the admin section. You need to copy your files and paste them there. So that's it on how you can add other users to your Windows PC home. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it.